This car, BMW F30 2015 model car. This car is having problems. Enter problems and number 1.
The car's
Text.
engine oil change service light cannot be reset.
Number 2, engine oil level measurement inactive problems. The amount of oil in the engine oil level cannot be checked. When you click Start Measurement, the percentage of the engine oil level that is full is not displayed. Clicking Start Measurement does not work. Reset service due with Scan Computer. Scan Computer set time and date, then click OK. The service is not reset. Please try again. Now I will check the car's engine fault codes with the Scan Computer to see if there are any fault codes. Now I will click on Red Fault Code. Fault code is number 1, oil level sensor malfunction. Number 2, oil level sensor issues. The reason for this fault code is that the oil level sensor is not working. The main reason is oil level sensor failure. The fuse has blown, or cable connection or wiring problem. I have checked all the fuses in this car. There is no problem with the fuses. Replace any broken fuse. I jacked up the car to check the oil level sensor wire and socket connection. This is the oil level sensor attached to the engine oil pan. Let's check the cable connection to see if there are any problems with it. There is no problem with the wiring connection of the oil level sensor. If there is a problem with the cable, be sure to repair it. There is no problem with the cable socket connection. It is properly connected. To disconnect the cable socket from the sensor, press on both sides of the socket and disconnect the socket. I took the cable socket apart and disconnected it. There is no problem with the socket. Since there is no problem with the car's wiring socket, wiring connections, and fuses, I will change the oil level sensor and test it. To change the oil level sensor, first I drained the engine oil. Now I unscrewed 3 10mm screw nut to remove the engine oil level sensor. I took out the oil level sensor. Now I will install this new oil level sensor. Now I need to retighten the 3 nut screws and install the oil level sensor. Having completed the installation of the oil level sensor, I now connected the cable socket. Connect the cable socket properly. Look, I changed this oil level sensor. Now I will add engine oil to the car. After adding engine oil, I will now enter the car and first clear the fault codes with the Scan Computer. Now I will click on Clear Fault Code to clear the fault code. Clearing fault code, press Enter button.
Now I will click Red Fault Code.
The fault code has been cleared. Now, no fault code. To check the engine oil level, start the car engine for 10 to 15 minutes until the engine reaches its normal operating temperature. Now I will click on Start Measurement to check the engine oil level. See measurement engine oil started working now. A few minutes later. Measuring 100%, only then will the oil level be visible. The engine oil level is correct. Inshallah, there is no more problem now. Thank you very much for watching the video.